dicing tomatoes to make it into a sauce for pasta.
Right. So we're making pasta today, right?
Yes.
So how to cut the tomatoes? Tell us.
You said just cut them into small pieces, so I'm cutting them into small pieces. Just cut them in half, and then I cut them this way, and I'll cut them the other way to make small pieces. Trying to be very careful to not cut my fingers. So I'm going slow, using a sawing motion, not using a lot of pressure.
Okay, show us. Okay, so how many tomatoes are you using?
7.
Okay, since they're kind of like small, that's why we need 7.
Yep.
So normally if it's bigger than that, the normal size we need how many?
4.
4 or 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so, right. Yes, be careful.
The question is, how much do I want? I probably don't want
What kind
all
of
of
pasta
that.
is it again?
Linguine.
Okay.
How much do you think I want? Like that much?
If you're not really hungry, I think that might be too much.
I'm kind of hungry.
Okay. Then this much. Okay. So put the pasta in a bowl of water.
Yep. And then try to smush it in. So
Use the chopsticks, the long chopsticks. Right?
well, no, I would use this, but you're telling me to use something else. Okay.
The chopsticks. This is for.
Don't. This is gonna be harder. I don't know how. I could use the spoon to just beat it down. This is. Green pepper, fresh grown, minced.
No, green onion.
Green onion, whole fresh grown, minced. Garlic cloves out of the garlic, so I can mince them.
Okay.
That's about what you wanted then?
Correct.
Okay. I ask because they come in varying sizes. I don't know if there's a better way of doing it. This is what I have been doing. Some people will also like hit it or smush it. This is probably not the best way of doing it.
Probably not.
And then you try to either smush it a little bit or push it or try to crack it, and then the skin will help the skin come off. And I am bad at this. Well, I remember
Okay.
like I said, either twist it to try to break the skin so the skin comes off more easily.
Some people also say that you could use a microwave.
Careful not to cut my fingers.
Yeah.
garlic.
Wait. What now?
And now to mince the garlic. Again, probably better ways of doing this. I am new. Trying to not damage the knife, which maybe I'm doing this, I don't know. Carefully getting the minced garlic into that bowl.
Mm-hmm. So, what are we doing now?
I am about to start cooking frozen meat, part of it. In
And,
an unorthodox and very annoying way.
mm-hmm. And I am making the tomato sauce.
Man, that's cool. Okay.
Alright, this is tomato sauce. Tell us about your meat.
I am doing something probably stupid. I don't do this at home. I am having a solid frozen hunk of meat, and I'm trying to cook just part of it and keep the rest of it frozen so I can put it directly back in the freezer.
Okay.
I feel usually confident that this is fine for food safety, but still don't try this at home. I'm not guaranteeing this is safe. At least the goal here is that the meat is either going to be frozen or cooking and nothing in between. I'm not leaving it out to thaw.
Okay. it again.
And once it gets small enough that I can't hold it like this, I'm gonna have to cook all of it or something.
Okay.
So I make a mess. I like to use a combination of hot. I am moving the meat off the heat because the meat is done.
Okay. Now you.
It's a little burned, but it's actually not as burned as last time.
Very good. Put the meat on top of this tomato sauce.
I will. First, I will clean. Just a little bit.
Very good. Iced water.
I don't know.
What?
This is probably fine. It's only been frozen for a
That's
little bit.
fine.
But,
It's
yeah.
from this afternoon.
Mhm.
It was in the freezer.
I have no idea how this is going to taste. We're going to do a little experiment.
Yes, experiment, right?
Probably pretty good.
Yes. Someone from this afternoon made that.
I am now grating the Parmesan cheese. And now pasta will be complete without large amounts of Parmesan cheese. And now I will begin consuming the pasta in a non-traditional way. People like swirl it. I never like swirling it. I'm weird. Between this and some good sushi, it's hard to tell what is better.
Yeah.
So as you'll see, I have a rather large amount of pasta for my cheese. So, but don't worry, I got plenty of cheese to go. You might think that I've gone actually rather heavy on the pasta, and that the cheese will be drowned out. So, my sisters prefer less pasta for the same amount of cheese. They think that too much pasta dilutes the cheese too much. Too many people will mistakenly think this is a pasta dish. No, this is a cheese dish with some pasta. Like chilled noodles. Like that. Like not Chinese cold noodles, but like some Western cold noodles where they have the noodles served in like an ice broth or right out of an ice broth. Kind of like an eyeball of ice water.